Hello everyone, thank you for checking out my video today and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. Today we have a really cool video for you all about the Patagonia Houdini Rock Jacket. So this is a really cool anorak that is actually designed for climbers. It is in Patagonia's new free wall kit. So it's a very cool piece, and the Houdini has been a very popular jacket for many years from Patagonia, and this is a new version designed specifically for climbers out there. So we're going to get into this today, tell you all about it, its fit, its features, and what this jacket can do for you. If you're new here to the channel, please stick around to the end of the video. I'll tell you all about my channel here, what we have to offer, what you can find, how you can find it, and hopefully this can become a good resource for you for finding out all kinds of information on different types of outdoor apparel for all kinds of activities like hiking, trekking, climbing, skiing, snowboarding, camping, fishing, sailing, trail running, mountain biking, right? All that fun stuff. So stick around to the end of the video. We'll tell you all about that a little bit later. So this jacket is a Houdini from Patagonia. Houdini is a very popular jacket. It's been around for many years. It's an extremely lightweight wind shell. So this is a 100% recycled nylon fabric, extremely lightweight. Now, a while back, I had reviewed the standard Patagonia Houdini jacket, and what I had found was that it was so light you can almost see through it. I did a video on the jacket that was like a pale yellow color, and like if I put a $20 bill in my pocket here on the chest, you could see right through the jacket and see that $20 bill in my pocket. So it was nice that it's really super lightweight, but I wasn't so keen on the fact that it was so see-through like that. This is a darker color. We don't have as much of an issue with this, but it is still an extremely very light fabric. This jacket is a size extra large. It weighs 185 grams, so extremely lightweight. These jackets are simply designed as a windbreaker. That's all it is. It's just a nice protective outer lightweight layer. It's extremely packable. This jacket can pack up into its little chest pocket here. I'll show you that in a little bit. Very small package, extremely light, but really effective at blocking the wind. It also has a PFAS-free DWR coating on the outside, so it will help to resist some light moisture. It's not going to keep you waterproof, but will help resist some light moisture. So a really nice fabric here. It's very soft, very comfortable. As I said, it is a recycled nylon material, and it has a ripstop pattern in it. So while it's really lightweight, it's still going to be pretty tough and durable for you. The jacket is really simple. There's no big, special features here. There's no hand pockets, just the one chest pocket up here. And it is an anorak, which means that it only has like a halfway zip. All right, it is not a full zip jacket. The standard Houdini is. This has simple little cuffs, just little elastic bands here around the wrists, and its purpose is simply just to help seal out some wind, but it's not big and bulky. There's not Velcro flaps and stuff here that's going to get in the way of your climbing. The jacket overall has a long trim fit. It's a longer fit than the standard Houdini, and that's one of the design concepts in this jacket that are preferred for climbers, because you can wear this jacket underneath your harness. So it has plenty of length underneath the harness for comfort. And the shoulder area up top here gives you a little extra space and a little extra room. So when you're climbing and you're reaching, you're not restricted at all. And especially, with a harness around the waist, you have plenty of movement unrestricted still in your shoulders. So it's, a really nice designed piece for climbers. The anorak is great though, for climbing, just the fact that you don't have zippers in the way of your harness. This is great to open up and just unvent some, hot air if you need to cool off a bit. But this is a jacket that I would consider wearing in warmer weather, right? I don't think you're going to be wearing this in super cold weather. It does have a trim fit, so you're not going to be putting big heavy layers on underneath it. Not big, down puffy jackets. I don't think it's going to be designed really for that use. But I did bring down my Arc'teryx Proton hoodie, and that's a 80 GSM synthetically insulated jacket that's very popular for high output activities such as climbing. It's a very breathable jacket. It's a very popular piece. So I brought that down to show you how that fits underneath here. It's a midway insulated jacket, so it'll kind of give you an idea of, how that fits. So obviously if you just want to wear a fleece or something underneath it, you won't have a problem. But anything heavier than that, I think it might get a little bit bulky underneath this Houdini. Very cool jacket. So this also has a nice hood here. So the hood, basically what it has, a nice brim here on the front, and it has elastic stretch bands here on the sides, on both sides of the hood. I'll put the helmet on here in a minute for you. And it has one pull cord adjustment on the back. So what's really cool about this hood is that it is basically designed to fit over your helmet and be able to be pulled on and off over the helmet very easily. So having those stretch bands on the side of your helmet, on the side of the hood, really helps it to cinch up over your helmet comfortably. And it's very easy to take on and off because it is stretchy. So you can very simply pull it right off. Okay, but absolutely fits right over the helmet, as you can see, without a problem. So a nice little hood here, and again you can cinch it up in the back to tighten it up a little bit more if you need to, but absolutely no problem wearing it with a helmet. That's what it's designed to do. So nice little hood here. All right, so just for your reference, I am 6'2", 215 pounds. This is a size extra large. So it fits great. I really like the fit of this. As I said, it is a longer fit here around the entire jacket. And it's a really nice, comfortable piece. So amazing for blocking the wind. That's what this jacket's meant for. That's its sole purpose, is to block the wind. So very, very cool piece here. And like I said, Houdini jackets have been extremely popular from Patagonia for many, many years. So let me put on this Arc'teryx Proton hoodie here underneath it, and you can see how it fits, how this Houdini rock jacket fits over the top. Okay, so here we go. So for me personally, I think these anorak style jackets with the half zip, while they have their advantages for climbers, definitely they have advantages, because if you're wearing a harness, it's nice not having that zipper coming all the way down and things getting caught and unzipping and whatever. And it's great for venting hot air when you need it. But just for me personally, I'm not a climber. I'm not a big fan of this style jacket because I find it a pain. You got to pull it over the top of everything and then take it all off over the top of everything. I would prefer, just for everyday use, for normal hiking, trekking, things like this, just everyday use, I would prefer the normal Houdini jacket that has just the standard zip all the way, full zip. I just find that more convenient. But again, for climbers, the anorak style is probably very popular and could have some good advantages for you. But just my opinion. Anyway, okay, so here is the Proton hoodie from Arc'teryx underneath my Houdini Rock Jacket. So it fits great. This is a really nice fit here. Absolutely. No problem with that. So as I said, I don't think personally I would want to go too much heavier than this. Perhaps a very lightweight down insulated jacket would work too. The Patagonia down sweater would probably be a nice fit underneath this. Anything heavier, puffier might get a bit restrictive, especially for climbing. But a nice fleece, underneath this would work great as well. All right, so we wanted to show you that, give you an idea. You can see the sleeves here are a little bit trim. So under, with the jacket underneath this, it is a little bit trim here. It's not tight, restrictive, but there's not much more room in the sleeves. The shoulder area, there's plenty of space. So definitely able to move around, unrestricted, great movement here. So really cool. All right, last thing I want to do is to take this off and I'll stuff this into its chest pocket to show you how small it gets, okay? All right. So it basically just turns itself inside out and it will all pack up here into this little ball. It's tiny. It's actually not even the size of a softball here. Probably, between a baseball and a softball. It has a little double zipper here, so it can be zipped up. And I mean, it's a baseball. All right. The actual pack itself is a little bit bigger than the baseball, but you can even stuff this down even further. And it has the loop on here if you want to carry it on your harness, on a carabiner, on your backpack loop or something like that. There you go. There's the Houdini Rock Jacket. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you very much for watching the video today. If you liked it, please hit the little thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all your support. And as I said, if you're new here to the channel, we have a ton of videos here. There's several hundred videos here, all about different jackets, pants, boots, backpacks, base layers. We get into some sunglasses, Yeti products, all kinds of fun stuff that can take with you outdoors on all your adventures. And I have all my videos broken up into different categories in the playlists. So if you go on my YouTube channel, use the playlists and you can find things a lot quicker. I have playlists for each individual company. I have playlists for down jackets, synthetic jackets, hard shells, soft shells, backpacks, everything's broken up for you. So you can find things a lot easier that way. Lots of good information here. We also have a website called Me and My Jackets where we get more into different companies, different outdoor activities, and really try to give you as much information as I can to help you choose what piece of jacket, pants, whatever it might be the best fit for you for the activities you're doing. So please take some time, take a look around. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching the video today. Hopefully we'll see you back soon. So take care. Have a great day. Bye.